Hello, good people. This is Sherry, and I'm getting out an order today. This is the leather pack with the leaf shape templates. And so I'm cutting the pieces of leather that go in there. Then I'm going to find a couple of extra pieces to throw in. This is an offcut of a piece of camo green leather that I'm adding to the pot. This is a suede-like piece of leather that I got from Tandy Leather a while ago, and I haven't done anything with it, but I'm just adding a piece of this. I'm gonna start asking people to let me see what they make, because I'd love to see what somebody does with this. These are the leaf wood pieces that you'll need to cut the leather with, or that you'll use to cut the leather with. I think I designed a necklace and a pair of earrings that you can use these with. And she ordered 5 sets of the lady faces for earrings. So this is going to be neat. I'd like to invite you to check out my channel. We have about 800 videos on. And if you like the videos, we ask that you subscribe. Give me a like or share. Let me know what you think. I'm just about ready to put my label on here and put this baby in the mail. I have 2 orders going out today. All right, good people. This is Sherry, owner and designer for Sherika Originals Handcrafted Gifts, where we help you to create jewelry for those who are deliberately different. Haha, did you check out that change in my tagline? That's where we're going with this. Don't forget our Tuesday live subscriber chat. I missed last week. Last week was my birthday, and I was so sick. But I am better and excited to get back. All right, good people. This is Sherry saying, as always, be blessed.